You are going to love the 2023 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.